Early to bed, early to rise makes GWK customers happy, wealthy, and wise. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on those notifications, that little bell icon. We're gonna be killing it today. Yeah! Today, we're gonna be working on blue balls. You might be asking yourself, who's this big fat white guy on the video? I don't know, man. I just got handed a microphone. I'm a little bit awkward. Embarrassing. Here's the main man himself.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Shout out Jack, man. Today we got a special video. We got some BC Racing coilovers.
I didn't unlock the car.
We got some BC Racing coilovers in the back here. We're ready. BC Racing, come on, you gotta sponsor this YouTube channel, man. We got some builds going. We got lots of people with cars. But yeah, let's get to the video. Literally, we're gonna do the quickest install you've ever seen in your life. And we got coilovers, brakes, spacers to get blue balls looking right.
We got these Just Jap spacers here designed to bring you the greatest of fitment on stock wheels. When you go to order these wheels off Just Jap, or these spacers I should say, just be aware because they do list two different size of like center hub diameters. Falcons are 70.5 mil, they sell 73 mil.
So what are you running?
Well, this is 30 mil. Yep. These are for the fronts. And we got 25 mils in this box for the rear.
And the center bore is, what did you say again?
70.5 mil.
70.5.
5x1, 4.3, the greatest of all stud patterns.
And what should Just Jap do for us?
Sponsor this video. Alright gang, on the right is the stock FG rear spring, on the left is the BC Racing coilover rear spring. So there's a stock shock down here as well, and then in right now we've got the BC Racing shock, which looks like this. So obviously you can see there's quite the difference. The main thing as well is these come with like an adjustable bottom. So there's meant to be two rings on here that you can just wind up and down depending on how high or low you want it. We're going one ring because that's what I had on my FGX, and that was pretty good.
I'm hot as shit.
Yeah, it's pretty stinky.
And there's an adjustment on the shock, which will obviously adjust the dampening and things for the suspension, but we're just leaving it standard, like what BC Racing gives it to us with.
You know, the last time we worked on my suspension on one of my cars, it was, he put Jap wheels on his Fusion, not okay.
I do remember that.
Go watch that video, let's get that to 10,000 views, gang!
Ages ago, eh?
Yeah.
To me over a year ago.
That would be a year ago, yeah. Crazy!
Nuts. I can't believe I've known you for that long.
I know, it feels like 5 lifetimes.
Feels like I died like 3 times with you because you're that much of a headache. You would not believe how low the rear is. We got to do the front still, so we're gonna leave the rear. I'm gonna show you how low it is, and you're gonna be like, what the hell did we do? But we're gonna install the front, so see if it evens out. So I don't know, because the front's so high, it's making the back seem lower. But damn, it just looks slammed. That's a mint. We're leaving it. You could probably not even fit a card in that.
You can't.
You have to try it.
You know what car we're trying? Forklift license.
The trusty.
Yeah.
The trusty forklift.
Never mind. Embarrassing.
Alright, we've got this big dog chunky mellow dude out. Let's put this good one in. It's time to get the front slammed. Let's go, baby.
It's tucking a little bit of tire. It's probably very, very close to the rears.
Yeah, that's gonna settle for sure. Let's drive around the block.
Done.
Look, guys. I don't think, like, we love it, you know. I think the back will keep, but we need to raise the front just a tad. Unfortunately, it's just rubbing way too much. You can even see, we've just driven it around the block and it's taking chunk out tires. 33 degrees from when we started till now. It's been like probably 5 hours because we just kind of been doing it slowly. And a couple of things went wrong, but it doesn't matter. Kara's here. She was really low, like she was slammed. And we just had to raise it up a tiny bit, so here's a reveal right now. BC Racing coilovers. What spaces are they?
25s in the rear, 30s in the front. Pretty good fitment. I mean, like, I was thinking it's going to need a bit of camber in the front to fit them, but I've just noticed like it's already got a little bit as is, and that we've just left it like that. We haven't adjusted the camber plate at all. Its only thing is it's scrubbing slightly on the rear guard, so I'm going to get those rolled just a bit. It's honestly not that much. Like, and this is a pretty extreme fitment we're running, to be honest, with those spacers. Like, that's on the guard. So if you're not going to run spacers, you're not going to have that problem.
Yeah, I don't know what else to say. That's pretty much it. We just had one mission today, and it was to put those coilovers on and get his car looking right. I'm pretty happy. The front was like way lower, but we just had to raise it up a bit because it was just extremely low. So basically right now it's like the same amount of height from the guard to the rim on the back and the front. That's pretty much it. There's not much else. I'm probably gonna pick up this vlog tomorrow morning because I gotta go pick up a few things and see some people, so that's what we'll do. She slammed. Oh man, I feel like I got a heat stroke after yesterday, man. That's crazy. 33 degrees and we were out there just like plodding along, not really rushing anything, but we got the car done. So next day we're at the next gen. As you can see, check this out. Super clean. Like, probably won't find a BA this clean. We got my car right there. As you guys know, it's been like 2 years, maybe a bit more, well, I don't know, maybe 2 years since I've done my car. And I legit haven't done like a major service on it, haven't checked anything, but now it's time. We've got the homie James in there at the moment. I'm gonna go over there in a second. He's just checking it over. And seeing what things we can do to tweak it to make it perform a bit better. I wanna put Next Gen Motorsports right here. Go check him out. If you're local, Gold Coast, Brisbane, bring your car here. Because he'll build your shit, and it will be awesome. Let's go.
I'll start it, and it's got the exhaust valve shut at the moment.
Oh, so you have that? Oh, no shit.
That's just like quiet for the neighbours.
Oh. Yeah, that's gangster. God.
It's good to have that, you know, especially around like the suburbs and stuff.
Yeah.
Not too crazy.
It's kind of like why I want it as well.
Yeah.
Like, I want to start it up at home and just sneak out, and then like when I get in the street, just turn it on.
And if you want the side pipe, you can put the Y piece in and get a side pipe made for that as well, instead of having the rear one like I've got.
Yeah. Woo! Sounds good. You see that dash? That's what I want to do, but Daniel said, nah, don't do it.
Why not?
Because on the, like, obviously my car's like pretty, like, it's pretty slick. Like the interior is like good, like the dash is nice and new. I think that's why.
What about the new IU10?
Exactly what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
If I could get that fitted.
That's like, because it's a luxurious car. To have
Like the Range Rover looking dash, yeah?
Well, they've basically done it like the Motec one, so it's the entire dash is now LED.
Yeah.
Instead of having to buy the surround, and
Yeah.
it looks I mean, not that it takes anything away from it. I still think it's pretty cool.
I still love that. Yeah.
It's cool, but like I'm yet to fit one, and I'm about to quote one up for a customer. So when we do it, if you want to come and have a look at it,
Yeah. Because I that's like the one consideration that I've like been like, yo, that would be cool.
then it'll look like Matuk's GTRs.
Literally, it'll be nuts, bro. Well, that's crazy.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, this is so nice.
Ooh, I don't know what it is, but it's like all
Yeah, so
the...
these keypads are interchangeable with all the Haltecs and some other ECUs. So you can have boost control on there. You can set up start button, any fan control. You can set up rolling anti-lag launch control. All your fans for your cooling, for your transmission, all that sort of stuff. Oil coolers, fans, whatever you want. And you can stage your fuel pumps on there as well.
Yeah.
You can set up nitrous, which is next for us.
Yeah, that's crazy. So nice.
Yeah. But like I said, like if you're just cruising around, you can shut the exhaust off.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just like my car. It sounds like my car.
Pretty quiet.
Yeah.
It's good just cruising because like I don't want to piss everyone off around here, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, the street's pretty busy and you get a lot of people come through with big. There's actually there's a dude who lives around the corner who's got a high torque built car.
Yeah.
And then I'm pretty sure Tom Quinlan did some work on it too at roasting. It's a VZ SS Turbo Ute. It's pretty cool.
Fun, no shit.
I swear he gets on gate past my house every time.
He knows you live there. It's so loud. Is it a 60mm gate?
Yeah, it's running a 60 gate. Yeah.
I love the sound of it. It just sounds beefy.
It's so fun. Like the funny thing about this car is though, like all of the engines that I've done for people who want their street cars built or for whatever application they want,
Yeah.
this car still hasn't got as much in it as what they have.
Yeah.
Like my engine is not as strong as what, say, we did a build for a guy up in Bundy.
Yeah.
And his bottom end's capable of 1300 horsepower.
Yeah.
He's got a running tune of like 600 at the moment. Jai.
Yeah.
Shout out Jai. And then there was a guy who he had an engine built down in Melbourne by another company. They shipped it up. I put it in the car. And before I did that, I was like, well, let's do a check on it. So I pulled all the covers off it. Found out it had a broken timing chain link.
Yeah.
Half of the parts that were supposed to be in it weren't in it. And he was devastated and I felt so bad. So I did him a massive solid and I did all trade prices on all his parts for him to help him out.
Yeah.
Put it back together and that went 1,290 horsepower with a mechanical fuel pump set up on the 85.
Yeah. Holy gosh, bro. And that's low boost.
Yeah.
What?
That's my lowest setting. Mind you, I don't have radials on at the moment. I've only got like Advent Radio 8 street tyres on it, but
they're still good tyres.
Still a semi-slick.
Dude, my cheap tires are still gripping up. She can't stop laughing. That is so good.
It's so much fun being manual too. I've always had manual cars.
Yeah.
I think the next car I'll do an auto.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
It's good because you'll have both things anyways.
Yeah, this is like fun for like power cruise and like skidding it and having fun and stuff. But if I really want to go to rolls and keep up with all the cars that are really dialed in and actually making some serious times,
Yeah.
the only real way to do it is to go auto, to be fair. With a Tesla behind us.
He's like, is that my car making that noise?
He's probably got one of those speakers
The
in
speakers, yeah, with the sound. He's just like taking a sample of your car sound and putting it on his Tesla.
Oh, that's so funny.
Right.
It's funny because a lot of guys come through Pipamar and they don't realise that just over the hill here on the left hand side there's a police station.
Cop station's right there.
Yeah,
Trust me.
I laugh because like every time I'm cruising through here or whatever, like you see guys banging it through.
Right here,
like,
yeah.
You're definitely not a local, bro.
That was me for the first couple of months. So I looked at a police go across and I looked just a little bit further, police station.
Bro, it's relatively new as well. Like it's only been there for about a year, if that.
Yeah.
And every time I see a Camry pull out where there's one there now, I'm like, oh, is that a 5.0? I don't know.
Yeah.
Could be. Is there any detectives in there? Nah.
That's Uber.
Family of 5.
It's either a cop or a family.
It's an Uber, bro. It's got an
Uber.
Uber sticker on it.
Oh, it's an Uber. There you go. It's definitely a cop pretending to be Uber.
I wouldn't be surprised if they did that.
These cops up here are shady. Oh,
dude.
there you go, speeding right past the cop station. Holy shit! Was that third? What is that?
Yeah, third, yeah.
Holy shit, it just goes, bro.
Leaves the heavens behind us.
Yeah, bro. It just smashes the tire easy.
I need to get some tyres, like some real smoky composite tyres, so
Yeah.
the power gear to like actually
It
smoke.
pops out, yeah.
Like I find like semi-slicks, they just don't smoke.
Yeah. You
Every
really,
time you guys do it, I swear to God, it just leaves like a fucking cloud.
yeah.
I just leave like black marks everywhere.
But it's just, I get the cheapest tires and they just smoke.
Yeah, dude. It'll be sick with nitrous.
Fucking oath, bro.
Bring it up on boost so much faster.
Yeah. I think like when you get nitrous, it will smoke up more as well.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
it's like, it's limiting quicker.
Yeah, I mean, especially putting the 45 turbo on it now, and like the only way to bring it up is to like clutch it a little bit, like give it a little stab if you want to bring it up.
Yeah.
For the most part, I roll on, but like when we go out, sometimes we fuck around, man. Like,
Yeah.
I don't mind having a bit of a fucking clutch kick every once in a while. Everyone knows I do it. I don't care. I'm an ex-drifter, so
Yeah. It's just part of your life.
we know it, and we know the car can handle it, so
Yeah.
it's all good.
Yeah. Nah,
Say
that's
what you
crazy.
want, but it's fun as fuck.
It's fun, bro. Who cares? Bro, you built the car to have fun.
Yeah, man.
Who cares about anyone else?
Every time I take it out, I try and break it.
I mean, I can't say the same for myself, but hey, you're the one building it every time. Oh, that sounds crazy.
Everyone who goes for a ride in it, even if they're not Ford converted, ends up going, yeah, alright.
It's good.
It's
Yeah.
fun. And it's like, the funny thing is, man, there's a lot of really powerful Fords on the coast, man. Like, this is like a mid-range thing that we built for promo for the business. There's some fucking killers out there, man. Like, Angry 6 is a weapon of a car. Spicy's real quick. You know, Brandon's car, I'd hate to. That's real quick.
Yeah.
It's a side design fabrication car that he's actually, man, wait till you see that thing back on the street. That's I was around there the other day getting some stuff fabricated. He's got a very big setup going in that's completely different to everything else he
Yeah.
had, so that's going to be pretty wild.
That's mad.
Yeah, looks like someone's had some fun here.
Yeah, on the road. It's pretty much everywhere around
It's
our
just
area.
everywhere, isn't it?
It's just our area, bro. It's just, everyone's just crazy.
Yeah, it's funny, yeah. Even the other night I seen Troy and Dan Rue rock past my house in the Lambo. It was so funny. I was out the front and they literally drove past when one of the boys was picking up his car. Dancing Dan. He's real funny, that guy.
Yeah, he's comedy.
Yeah.
All the civilians are just like, what is that?
I still really want to build like a real sleeper car though. Like,
You know what the territory's for?
yeah, I should have.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll leave the baby on board sticker on the back and everything.
Just go hand it to some people in the territory.
Yeah.
That would be good.
There's a real quick territory that goes to Rolls. I don't know who owns it. I think it's like a burgundy one. It is actually like one of the FPV ones too. He goes
Yeah.
Rolls. It's pretty quick.
That's sick. That guy look? Of course. Yeah, it's definitely big enough, I reckon.
Famous last words.
That's
Thanks
crazy.
for dropping by, bro.
Thanks for helping me out.
Anytime, man.
Thanks for being in the video.
Thank you, bro.
That's good.
I'm not that good on camera, I guess. I don't know.
Hey, you're good looking. That's all that matters.
No, that's all good.
This person was like, whoa! He's gonna lose control! But really, it was a donut.